my father owns a rental property, and last year the tenant had a dispute with another tenant and set fire to it. The person was arrested, and it was all sort of sorted out at the time with the fire brigade and everything else. The insurance company's taken 6-7 months to sort it out for whatever reason, and we've received partial payments for the works to commence. Unfortunately, because the insurance policy is now lapsed, the renewal has come in at 4 times what it was before, because they're saying now, while the work goes on, it's deemed unoccupied.
Right.
Now, what I wanted to know was, do I have recourse back to the insurance company yet again to say, well, I'm paying 4 times the premium because obviously something that's not my fault, and the fact they've taken 7 months to partially settle the claim, which is still ongoing.
Oh, that's interesting. So you essentially want to say you've got another head of loss, which is the additional premiums you've now got to pay.
Yeah, from the same insurance company.
Yeah, that's really interesting. I've not come across that one before. Well, that seems a very plausible argument, Jags. I don't know whether there'd be something in the insurance company's standard terms that would exclude that sort of thing. I'd be surprised if there wasn't. You would have thought insurance companies have thought this one through and thought through, if premiums go up, we're not going to pay the extra premiums. The whole point of premiums going up is that is that there is now a greater risk. But of course, this isn't simply a greater risk because there's been arson in the past. It's a greater risk because the property is unoccupied, and the reason it's unoccupied is because they've taken 7 months to authorise the repairs. Have I got that right?
Which is still ongoing. They've only partially paid yet, so it's not even over yet.
Yeah.
At this
now,
stage.
if they, what would you say would be a reasonable period for them to authorise the repairs in?
Once the first payment came through, we started work within a week, and there's most probably another 7 weeks to go yet. But they just, for whatever reason, we had to chase and chase and chase.
Yeah, but
even
it took them 7 months. How long do you say it should have taken them?
I would have thought less than 2 months, because it was clear.
And if they paid up within 2 months, would you have got the works done before the renewal was due?
Yeah, more than likely, yeah.
Well, I think you might have a case there, not a legal case, but I think you might have a case to take to the insurance ombudsman, because really you have suffered loss now as a result of their delay. Now, there may be perfectly good reasons for the delay. It might be that the police didn't want anything done until the investigation was concluded. I don't know, I'm speculating. But if there isn't a good reason for the delay and the insurance company is at fault in failing to authorise the repairs within a reasonable period, I think you'll get that extra money from the insurance ombudsman. I think you'll win it.
Okay. That's great. Thank you for that.